everyone, today I'm gonna show you how I use support and resistance line in my price action strategy. So when you see, I will show you on the example of Ethereum. Are there anyone still trading the Ethereum or just everyone trading Bitcoin and Ripple? I don't know. We will take the chart of Bitstamp and Ethereum by dollar. This is daily chart. So you see over here my support and resistance line, okay? And I'm gonna show you today how I draw it and how I use it for sure. This is our downtrend. What should we do here? Downtrend, you see, it's going down, then it's going up, it's breaking up, or whatever, it's bounce. We see some, it's some kind of points where we can see key points where the price react to this level of this price change and make some difference or reverse pattern, whatever it is. So what should we do here? We should to connect our point. So connect two or more points. The more points you connect, the more key level it is. So you can connect, it's whatever you can. I think the best deal is to connect it by the tail, but you can see, you can use the close of bar or the close of candle, whatever you use. I use every time the tail because the tail gives us the most important information about how to trade, about where does the buyer or the seller stop. So here down, you can draw some support line. At the same point, you can draw horizontal resistance lines above our price. It looks like, the channel of support and resistance line when we draw a trend line and when we have a trend line. But this is you make a draw like horizontally. This is all the same, this is the main difference. So this is my main strategy. What is the support and resistance line? This is your opportunity to buy and to sell. So to make some money, to go for a long or to go for a short. I will show you. There is like two types of support and resistance level. First of all, we can speak about key points, key levels. So what is this? This is historical key levels that takes from whole story of the chart and you can see every time the price react to this key level. I draw some levels, some important level upstairs, and you can see over here that it's some kind of zone, we can draw lines or we can draw zones. If you're new in trading, I advise you to draw some, zone. It will be better and it will be easier for you to determine support and resistance candlestick. So you see over here, the price goes to retracement and it stopped over to this point, then it goes up, so it jump out and then it's slip down. You can see here the same chart, it became the resistance line, but the line is the same and the points where the price changes is the same. This is the key level. Here you can see my blue point. You see the second type of support and resistance line is local level. When you don't see some history or you don't want to see from the history, you want to see just momentum or just wherever you are, you can draw some, you can go to, this is our daily chart and the main point that we draw all key points, key levels on weekly chart and daily chart. If you go to the 4 time frame, wherever you use, if you're day trading or if you make scalping, you can use support and resistance line, local lines, for the 15 minutes or the 1 hour chart, wherever you use, whatever is comfortable for you. You see my, blue zone, and you see the price react, it slip down, it's break out this point, it make a retest, and then it's go even down or even more down. This is your opportunity to buy and to sell. So what is the question? What is the main rule in order to buy and sell regarding the resistance, support and lines? You have to buy above and you have to see and you have to sell below the level. So you have to buy over here, of course, creating some stop loss down the level. slipping down the level. In order false break, in order the price did stick pattern or something like that, you need to buy over here, and you need to sell, I'm sorry, over here below these key levels. So we can visualize and we can visually create some channel where you can work. You see, I'm working without any indicator, and I don't use anything except levels, patterns, candle patterns I mean here, and volume as usual. So this is like my main strategy of price action. But before starting this strategy, you need to know how to create levels, support and resistance level, of course. So we see here, because I draw it, of course, I draw it a little bit before making the video because it's much more easier for you, but you can see all the randomly prices changes over this price, or it makes a reverse, or it's slipping down, or whatever it is, but every time the price react to this level. This is our key level on the white, and this is our local level on the blue. So what we're gonna say about the Ethereum regarding our drawn levels, we can see that this is our resistance line, this is our support line, this is our strong support line, but we don't see any history over here. You can go for Bitfinex chart, or I don't know, even to Binance chart, on Poloniex chart, but Bitstamp, I don't know why it doesn't have any story about the Ethereum, but I'm pretty sure that it has before. You see how many times the price touches this support level. You see how many times it jumps out and break our local lines. You see over here. So what should we do regarding this level? We can buy over here, and we should sell, or we should make some focal point under our resistance line. We need to see what is going to be happen here, or it will be like resistance level, or it will be break, or it will be jump out, whatever it is. We need to be really careful about it. The best things to start is to buy above support line, about key point line I mean, and to sell under the resistance line. This is the best you can make. You will not have so many trades right now, but at least you will have positive trade every time. So I think it's not a big deal to have every time. The trading is really simple, but you need to know some main rules, and that's it. Regarding Ethereum, you have two options. So wherever you go to daily chart, and we will see the global lines, you see this is the touches of the candlestick, of the candle tail. This means that it can be false breaks. What does it mean? It means that there is a seller over here that is not going to go up right now. So there is no any plans for bull run. So we need to focus on this level. We can try to buy a little bit if you feel the long position. You can buy over here, but create your stop loss under this line, because whatever the buyer wants your stop losses or whatever it is, it can take away. If it's even closes above this level, you have to buy right now. So then you can sell over here. Or the second option is to buy when the price will break out this resistance level and will start a bit consolidation above this support level. And you can buy here, but creating stop loss under the level. If the price will go down right now, you need to wait. You don't need to buy over here, because this is like the center of the channel, and there is like 50-50. The better buy is like 80-20 or 7-30%. So whenever you will see here, you will see that the price will react, or it will be even down, or it will be jump, and you can buy here, and just to wait the price over here. So we can make one more time retest level. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was like my first little or small education stuff. Merry Christmas to all your family. You see my Christmas tree over there and like fireplace, so it's so cozy. Happy New Year and Merry Christmas. Bye.